In this section, we are going to know about the author R.K. Narayan, some of the themes from this short story, and the characters and the possible things that we can learn from this chapter. Starting with the title of the text, An Astrologer's Day. Astrologer is a person who predicts the future of another person, who is commonly known as a Jyotishi. Many people generally go to the astrologer to know about their future and also about their pasts, to overcome some of the problems in their life. Most commonly, this custom is seen in India, where people visit Jyotishi very frequently. To begin with, let's first know about R.K. Narayan. R.K. Narayan is one of the most famous novelists of India. He is well known for his imaginary town Malgudi from My Days and his book Malgudi Days. R.K. Narayan is the author of 14 novels. He has written 5 volumes of short story and number of travelogues. Travelogues means a book or a film about the places visited by a traveler. R.K. Narayan is well known to depict a realistic character, typically of Indian setting. Some of the famous works of R.K. Narayan are My Days, Malgudi Days, Swami and Friends, The Bachelor of Arts, The English Teacher, and many more. R.K. Narayan has been admired and praised all over the world. He has been awarded the Sahitya Academy Award in 1961 for his novel The Guide. He is loved by everyone for his Indianness, simplicity with humor and wit. Narayan portrays the irony of daily Indian life. Likewise, R.K. Narayan has portrayed one such Indian day in the short story An Astrologer's Day. From the title itself, we understand the story is about an astrologer and a day in his life. To go forward, we will first understand the character from this short story. The protagonist or the lead character is that of an astrologer. The astrologer is a smart and intelligent person, but he is a cheater. One of the most peculiar quality of his is he is a keen observer and an excellent orator. Orator is a public speaker. He is a good listener and interpreter. Meanwhile, we also see a feeling of being coward. Coward is a person who lacks courage, जिसे हम कहते हैं डरपोक या कायर. The next character is Guru Nayak. He is an ordinary youngster who has visited the astrologer. He is curious to know about his past and his future. He is very stubborn and restless. Stubborn matlab ziddi. And the last character is the wife of the astrologer. She is very patient, wise, and supportive. One thing to note here is R.K. Narayan speaks about the astrologers who do not have proper knowledge, the ones who are greedy for money. To move forward, there are some points that must be thought while understanding this text. The first point is about fate. फेट जिसे हम कहते हैं किस्मत या फिर नसीब. This is an underlying theme that we see in this story. This theme is generally related with the character, the astrologer. The next theme is that of superstitions. R.K. Narayan is famous for the Indianness in his stories, and this theme clearly portrays it. In this short story, Narayan has depicted superstitions. Some people are eager to know about their future or their past. Indian people tend to visit Jyotishi very often. This is a prominent theme seen in the story. The next theme that we see is that of curiosity. Curiosity to know about the future is one of such theme related to superstition. People fear the future and blame the past. This general tendency of people is used by the astrologers, the greedy astrologers who have little to no knowledge about astronomy. The people having the fear of the future, to know about the future, go towards these astrologers, and the astrologers use this fear to earn money. The next theme that we see is that of identity. The identity of the astrologer, the identity of the person who comes to the astrologer are all hidden. No basic information about the astrologer or the person is mentioned in this story. Apart from this, the astrologers dress in such a way that their real identity is not revealed. This is one of the themes of this story. The next theme that we must remember is that of guilt. After reading this story, we understand that the astrologer has some kind of guilt hidden within him. This was the reason why he had left his native place and moved towards some other village. The next theme that comes is reality of the society. Even after having many programs to eradicate superstitions, still in the society we see many such superstitions which are followed now also. The most famous one is having curd and sugar before beginning any good task or before heading out, or blaming a cat for having a bad day. Even after understanding, even after knowing there is no scientific evidence for these activities, still people in India follow these superstitions. This is the reality of our society. The next theme that is prominent is customs. The custom of going to a Jyotishi to have your problems solved is one of the most popular thing that we see in our society. The next theme is that of money. Here, the astrologer in this story works as an astrologer just to earn money. He has no basic knowledge of astronomy. He just is a keen observer and a good interpreter. He is a very good listener. The astrologer asks such questions through which the answers are automatically given by the person itself, by the customer itself. And this business of astrology gains a lot of money, which is depicted by R.K. Narayan in a very beautiful manner. The next is mystery, the identity of the astrologer. Why the reason why he had left his native town and moved to a new place. The mystery is revealed at the end of the story. This is a beautiful way how R.K. Narayan glues the readers with the story. The next theme is distraction from reality. People generally distract themselves with the fear of future. This is clearly seen amongst the customers which come in front of the astrologer, asking whether they will have a bright future, whether they will have a lot of money in the future. All such questions are asked by the people fearing about the future. The answers of the astrologer helps them in distracting themselves from the reality. The next theme is escaping from confrontation. Confrontation means accepting that you have done a particular thing. The confrontation that he has done something at an early age and with the fear that people might know it, the astrologer leaves the place and moves towards a new place. The next theme is that of revenge. This is a minor theme. This ideology is associated with the customer or the person Guru Nanak. He has come to the astrologer to ask certain questions, and he has the feeling of taking revenge with a particular person. This feeling of taking revenge is quite common among all the people. This is depicted by R.K. Narayan in this short story. These are some of the themes that are portrayed by R.K. Narayan in this short story. Apart from these, there are many other themes that we understand. These are some of the points that we must remember as we are reading and understanding the short story. In the next section, we are going to begin with the short story itself. For now, thank you.